How to fix YouTube not working on mobile data on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube not working on mobile data on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and click apps again, and here just type YouTube and then click force stop here, and then go to storage, clear cache, and then go to data usage. Here you will find it, and here you will find the mobile data. You will find it like that. Just enable it, and that's it. And then open YouTube and then click here and go to settings and then data saving. Just disable data saving mode, this one, disable it, and that's it. Just try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.